In this video, we are going to look at the index and match function. So the function index per se is more powerful than VLOOKUP because in situations like this, when in the first column we do not have the information that we are seeking, the function VLOOKUP will not work. And then in this context, when we want the industry, sector and price for a couple of companies, and the industry is before company, we will not be able to extract the data. So this is when we use the index function. So index is essentially going to give us the intersection of various columns and selected rows. So we are going to use the match function to pick up the row of the company. So which means let us say ACC is in the 5th row, and then let us say in the first column we want the industry is here. So the intersection of 5 and A will give us the desired result. Supposedly next is the company is in row 10 and we are looking at the share price which is listed in column D. So the intersection is where will we get the answer. So how the function works? Function index. Now what is the array that we're looking at? The array is and we freeze it. The next is we need to define the row number. So we know that the rows are representative of the name of the company. So we pick up the match and the lookup value is to choose this, and we know we're going to drag this. We want F to remain frozen whereas 9 should be free. And then now look up array for the name of the companies. That essentially is this list, and we freeze it and we want the exact match. So a 0 and we close the bracket and then a comma. Now the next that's highlighted is the column number. So column number should be driven by column 1 for industry, column 3 for sector and column 4 for price. So for this we again use the match function. The lookup value is the industry, and this time round we freeze the row. The table array in this case would be this, and we freeze it and we want an exact match, so a 0, and we close the bracket. Now once we drag it like this and this, and let us look at verify our results. ACC construction is the sector, the industry is cement and the price is 160. Good, and we can format and show prices.